Hello, guys. Welcome to our podcast, Chai with the Cause. Myself, Retractor Brinda Kokla, the editorial director of Retract Club of Navi Mumbai Sunrise. We have with us BHF Retractor Rotarian, Nisha Raju, and Retractor Rohit Deshpande, the DRR and DRS. So, hello, guys.
What's up?
So, can we start with the questions? So, our first question today is, can you walk us through your Rotrack journey and how it led to you taking the role of DRR and DRS?
I'll let Rohit answer first.
Long ago, I would say, like 12 years ago, in my school, I was a very introvert guy, and when I joined my engineering college, that is Saraswati College of Engineering, uh, I saw the students around me, and I was like, I need to stand out here. I can't remain an introvert. So I was looking for opportunities where which would help me come out of my shell. And that is when the TRS back in that time HRD came to our classrooms and said we are from Rotrack, and I was like, this is my opportunity that I want to take up. So yes, 12 years ago I took up, became a GBM of Rotrack Club of Saraswati College of Engineering, and from there I 4 years in Saraswati and now seventh year in 8th year in Rotrack Club of Smart City Navi Mumbai. The journey has been wonderful.
So, what about you, Nisha?
For me, I was back then, ages ago, 10 years ago, maybe not 12 as much as Rohit says, but 10 years down, yeah, I was scammed by a friend of mine saying that, यहाँ पे ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ट्रिप्स और ट्रैक्स पे जाते हैं बिकॉज आई लव ट्रैवलिंग. सो आई मीन जस्ट जॉइन इन, इट विल बी फन, हम घूमने चलेंगे, यही सब होता है. बट द फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट एज अ गेस्ट मेंबर दैट आई अटेंडेड वाज अ पेपर बैग मेकिंग. एंड आई वाज ओके, आई मीन दिस साउंड्स फन, ठीक है, ट्रिप्स के साथ ये शायद ऐसे फन चीज़ें भी करते रहेंगे. सो आई जॉइन बैक देन एज अ गेस्ट मेंबर इन द चार्टर ईयर. And then, yeah, I mean, designation on designation, year on year, 10 years down, 3 years in the district core, have been the president, done and dusted all of that in Rotrack Club of Thane downtown. And yeah, now I'm here as the DRR.
So, what inspired you to take the position of DRR and your DRS?
See, so I wouldn't call it an inspiration, but I would call it making the most out of the opportunity that you get. Because what I feel is, and it's my personal opinion, someone can inspire you only to a certain extent, but the step has to be taken by you. So, of course, I mean, a lot of our district core team members, the past core team members, I would say the PDRs, they have spoken to me about this long back. But for me, I'll be honest, after the presidential year, the kind of the year that it was for me, I was done, and I did not very honestly have a vision per se to become the DRR, because after then I wanted to focus on the professional aspects of life. But when I saw that we've already spent so many years, but then now is the time when, even though the community has given you so many opportunities, now is the time, if you become the DRR, you can give as much as opportunities to the community back. Was the one, I won't say goal, but one of the many visions that I had, due to which I went forward to become the DRR.
So it was the same for me. After presidential year, I was done with Rotrack. The sense of accomplishment was there, and 1 year as IPP, and I was like, I'll be done. And I promised my parents and my friends that all my weekends are yours. We'll go have dinners, plans, weekends, vacations, everything. But yes, one fine day she called me, and she asked me if I would like to take up the position of the district secretary. The first thing that I asked her was what is her vision for the year, and I got the answers that I was looking for, and both of our vibes and vision for the movement matched at that moment, and which is why I was like instantly, yes, I am on board to become the district secretary. So that is how I landed.
Yeah, I vividly remember the conversation that we have. He was probably at a salon when I had given the call,
Yes.
but it was fun.
So, So, how has being DRR and DRS shaped you personally or professionally compared to your early years in Rotaract?
Oh, wonderful question. How has it shaped? It is shaped in many ways, right? Multitasking to a supreme level is something that now we have achieved, and I guess it would be the same for
Same.
Rohit as well. Time management to another level we have achieved. It is not like we don't procrastinate. We have our bouts of procrastination, and that will come up after doing like a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday of Rotaract. Monday will be the day when we literally have to pull ourselves together to do whatever we have to do. But for me, I would personally say it's been multitasking, time management, and understanding that I told this in the last DRR Prosec of mine as well, that everything is figure outable. There's nothing that cannot have a solution. There will be some solution. It is just that you need to probably, if not for 2 steps, might have to take 10 steps, but then the solution is right there.
Things just work out for you, and it is up to you what you have in your mind. If you take it as a pressure, somewhere or the other your work is affected. But if you take it as something which is you are about which you are passionate about, it won't feel like a pressure, and you'll go with the flow, enjoy the process, and that is what we have done this year.
For sure.
That's good. So, how have you seen Rotaract evolve over the years?
A lot. We are from a pre-COVID 3140 time of Protractors. So we've seen 3140 wherein say there used to, if there is like I know Aras is coming forth. So when there used to be Aras and assembly, there used to be like HR, Lalas, then there is Somaya. These are all like very big institution-based Rotaract colleges. Colleges based Rotaract, I would say. I mean, they're all there, the auditorium is filled, and it used to, I mean, you would very certainly have a vibe of, Mumbai versus Thane, or say like a Mumbai versus the downside kind of a vibe. There used to be the Sobo culture into it, the people from Bandra used to be there. And वो vibe ही अलग था, मतलब very honestly. To seeing that, to seeing Costa taking it up as the charter DRR for 3142, to seeing the COVID era of Rotraction. I mean, I was a COVID president, and he was a president right after the COVID year.
Yes.
So
The transition from on ground to online and from online to on ground. We have seen it all.
We've seen it all. And then to now, again stabilizing things back, even if not 100% to the way on ground it was, but digitizing things for our ease, but then still continuing to do things on ground as well. I mean, it's been a wonderful journey.
Seriously.
So, are there any changes that stand out the most, like since then and now?
There are a lot. I mean, change is the only constant, right? If we don't evolve with time, we would not be the way we are. If we still keep doing, the way it was done back then, I mean, we wouldn't ever evolve. I mean, there was never a war of DJs. We have war of DJs. So many events as such, right? I guess one of the recent times was when we did a open cricket for the first time. We did that. Under 18 Summit is something new that was kick-started. Village adoption, this is the first year we've done that. There are so many things we've done for the first times, and I mean, movement in itself has changed. The lifespan of Rotractor has changed.
So
it is
when-
lessened.
So earlier, like 3 years back in time, we had fixed the gap, and I had told that मैं तो 10 साल से हूँ यार, तो बाकी लोग क्यों नहीं है? So I was told कि you are an outlier of the batch. Not everyone continues or in the movement for so long. It is just that you found your reason, found your purpose to stay in the movement, which is why you are continuing. And changes, पहले हम BOD मीटिंग ऐसे महीने में एक बार लेते थे, एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू वेट कि कब मैं मेरा प्रोजेक्ट का आइडिया सारे BODs के सामने, GBFs के सामने प्रेजेंट करूँ, कब मुझे वो उसके ऊपर इनपुट्स आएगा. बट देन now we have Google Meets. I can connect with my press sec and the VP team, internally discuss, get inputs, finalize everything, and then we can have projects scheduled. So that is one ease which we have seen.
And पहले बहुत ज़्यादा हायरार्की सिस्टम फॉलो होता था, एंड यूज्ड टू बी वेरी स्ट्रिंजेंट हायरार्की जो फॉलो होता था. मतलब And I'll be honest, for someone, I'm not saying people are not approachable, but I'm saying you need to present it as a GBM. You might present it to your BOD first. The BOD goes to the VP goes to the president then takes the call. If this is something that needs to go to the district, a GBM would not go to the district directly. It will go via the president. They reach the vertical heads. The vertical then reaches to the DRR. DRR takes the call, and the whole cycle. I mean, it was a very strict hierarchy that used to be followed, but eventually we started having glass ceilings, right? So I mean, there's a top down approach and a bottom up approach. Both of it is being followed. So वो corporate vibe भी अभी आने लग गया है अभी तो. So yeah, that's that.
So, in your opinion, which is one project or event in your tenure which has had the greatest impact on our district
When you say tenure, like the DRR tenure,
overall?
नहीं यार उसमें तो बहुत होंगे क्योंकि
Okay,
it's
then
12
the DRR
years, 10 years for the either of us.
So, in your DRR tenure, then DRR tenure.
It'll be Daftar and Udaan for me straight away, and there is no second thoughts to it. Daftar because I've seen Daftar when it was Shiksha. It was never Daftar in 3140 and initial 3142 times, if I'm not wrong, it was Shiksha. Shiksha turned into Daftar. Daftar went online. I have been a Daftar ambassador. I have been a Daftar center head once. I have done one Daftar online wherein I was an ambassador. Two, last year being the Avenues 1 chair wherein I had a lot of responsibility of Daftar, if I have to say so. To seeing Daftar farewells where the children come, hug, cry. It's a vibe in itself. To this year being the DRR and being able to give that opportunity to someone to do Daftar. That's Daftar. And Udaan because पहले बार किया है यार विलेज अडॉप्ट एंड जो भी कर रहे हैं वो पहले बार कर रहे हैं किसी को नहीं पता वी आर जस्ट फिगरिंग what our pace should be in the ocean. So क्या लेवल पे हमने स्विम करना चाहिए, कितना डीप जाना चाहिए, नहीं जाना चाहिए. We are all doing a pilot run, but ensuring to do the impact that we do. So these two would be my favorite for sure.
Same for me. I was not a Daftar ambassador, and that is something that I regret the most. And like she said earlier, it was Shiksha, and I was there in the DRR Pressec meet where it was said that Shiksha is a project, but Daftar is an emotion, and that is how Daftar was launched. And so this year, every year I try my best to go to the Daftar farewells, if not all the weekend being a Daftar ambassador. And the kind of emotions the kids have at the end of the year, वो लोग रोते हैं कि दीदी भैया मत जाओ और सिखाओ हमें और पढ़ना है. And those tears in eyes, those are not fake. It is something very genuine, and we literally get goosebumps at those moments. So and यार इतना सब कुछ करते हैं for such moments only, I feel. And hats off and kudos to the entire Daftar ambassadors.
Every year का Daftar ambassadors and team, okay, मतलब it's not easy. 50 odd Saturdays from wherever you are in the corner of the city, you need to go to the Daftar center, teach there for 2 to 3 years, and those children are uncontrollable. And let's be honest, I mean, they are kids, and they come from a not so posh background that you or we might be coming from, right? To training them to a point that now we have testimonies of people who are placed. We have testimonies of people who are, doing higher education, pursuing better things in life. So, yeah, that's the impact.
To be honest, yesterday I met a person who was Shiksha ambassador. Okay, and I met him after 6-7 years, and in my office campus, he told me that he still gets text messages from the students he had taught back then, and they are like ki dada मी आता graduation साठी I've enrolled myself into BSc or engineering, and the moment of pride that he has at that moment, the way he was expressing, he's like, this is what true community service is, and this is what my passion for Rotaract is. And apart from that, not just the students but even the college schools that we approach, right? So recently we had 10th results that were declared. So we get text messages from the principals that आपके गाइडेंस की वजह से हमारे बच्चे आज इतने इतने ये हुए हैं, पास हुए हैं. वी हैव हैड 99% रिजल्ट. सो हाँ यार, तभी लगता है कि हाँ, वी आर क्रिएटिंग सम इम्पैक्ट. And coming to Udan, like she said, we had no idea ki how to proceed, but then we went with the flow. And kudos to the entire community service team
And clubs.
and clubs who took up initiatives. And यार एक एक इनिशिएटिव ना हमारे लिए वो वन टाइम रहता है, बट देन इट क्रिएट्स अ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग इम्पैक्ट इन देयर लाइव्स. वो वहाँ पे जाके जब उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हैं तब पता चलता है.
And to Ramya as well, right? Because even when I was in A1, I could not do the whole of Udan. I mean, we did village recce's and all of it, but then for whatever reason वो नहीं हो पाया. But then she was rock solid on making it happen. So I mean, you need such people to do such initiatives. So yeah, it goes to her. Should I pause this?
ये और वो दोनों ये हो गया.
Oh, cool. Okay, thank you.
Cheers.
So, as DRR and DRS, what are some of your biggest leadership wins?
Oh, leadership wins. Again, I would say there are quite a few of them. Say something as simple as, you know, when, say for example, we have a lot of district events, right? As basic as you're fulfilling the dreams of a council member when he or she becomes a MOC, to something as big as when the career development team ensure that someone is getting placed via Elevate 3142. Each of it is a win, and I won't say it's a personal win, right? So it's a district's win. And this is, I mean, I wouldn't say a philosophy or something, but this is something I personally follow, is that there are, when you are at a leadership position, you don't see personal wins here. You're not here for personal gains or personal wins. You're here for something that is going to create a long-lasting impact. You're here to create as many opportunities as you can, and you're here to ensure that there is a holistic growth. And all of that have been happening this year, and has been happening year on year for that matter, and that's a win. That's it.
Same.
Okay, and so have you guys ever hit burnout, you know, in this journey? And how did you guys deal with it?
A lot of times.
Yes.
It happens. I mean, you're
We are
human.
humans.
Yeah.
We are humans. Burnout happens, and I'll tell you what. When I say and this is in no way demeaning anyone else, right? But when for a president it's 56 members or 70 members, 100 members, but for them it's one club that they're doing. But for the district core team, it is 56 such presidents or 60 such presidents based on the number of clubs that we have today. For them, it's the one installation that they are attending. For us, it is 60 installations that we need to attend. For us, it's 60 OCVs where we need to give feedbacks, and we need to be spot on. And say, for example, a community service director might not pay as much attention when probably an ISD is going on. But for the district core team, and even moreover for the DRR and the DRS, there's no disconnect that can happen at any point. You need to be as attentive from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. And except for the chai breaks or the quick lunch grabs that you do, that too on the way from location A to location B to location C. Otherwise, and that happens this year. We even had things on Fridays as well. So that for us, it was 72 hours of doing road track at once after doing a 5-day office or a 4-day office, 9 to 5. So, and it's not 5, it's never 5 when we call it 9 to 5. And there have been multiple burnouts, and there have been times when for me, I would say personally, I have even thought, yeah, why am I doing what I'm doing?
Yes.
And we have had these discussions as well. When every time we have to wake up at say a 7 a.m. to be somewhere at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. पहुंचने के लिए 7 बजे उठना पड़ रहा है यार. After doing an office till 11 p.m. the previous day. So at a lot of times, यार क्या ये 7 बजे उठना पड़ रहा है? Why am I doing what I'm doing? Is this even worth it? But then you realize यार 10 साल यही movement ने तुम्हें सब कुछ दिया है. ये 1 साल तुम दोगे तो क्या जा रहा है?
And in the end, it is all worth it, I
Yeah.
feel. When, say, for example, I'll give a small example ki community service director of, say, any club, say it is a last OCV of a Sunday, he's presenting his project ideas, his dream projects and everything. And unke samne, if we are, like, say, drained out because we have had Friday, Saturday, Sunday OCVs continuously, we are on our phones, तो वो उनके लिए demotivating factor हो जाता है. So, listening to them, giving them the right feedback, ऐसा generic feedback नहीं, but the right feedback जिससे उन्हें they feel that they are heard. So this is what we have tried our best. And मस्ती कम नहीं थी हम लोग में. We also did marathons during OCVs. We woke up at 5 o'clock, 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and we went for a run. So this was our getaway somewhere.
Yeah.
That, along with the OCVs, we are also getting involved into
We
something.
wanted to do some
get
life
Yes.
apart from road track and profession. तो वहाँ पे ये marathons काम आता था. We've started doing badminton. We have a group of people whom we play badminton with. We do that. Sometimes very randomly, if one OCV or installation gets cancelled or postponed, normally लोग क्या करेंगे? घर जाएंगे, सोएंगे. We would be like, चल यार ठीक है, चल ड्राइव पे जाते हैं, कुछ खा पी के मस्त आते हैं. So those tiny moments is how we ensure that the burnout doesn't showcase, because as much as important हमें रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, but for the person who is presenting or person who is giving the speech or person जिसका incoming या outgoing होता है, उसके लिए वो spotlight होता है भाई. उनका तुम importance देना पड़ता है. So yeah.
This is what Sushmita had also mentioned last year, that she has a family life. She stays in Ulhasnagar, but then she has to travel to Bombay
Kashi,
side for her work. So even after so much of traveling, if she is someone who is dull, then that is the energy that you are passing out bahar. ठीक है. So if you are cheerful, if you are not complaining वगैरह, तो that is how people around you will be. And for us, we are each other's punch bags, I would say, the entire core team. And कभी भी किसी का burnout होता है, we just
we rant.
We just rant.
And we've also discussed this multiple times together. So if someone like, say, a Sushmita who has a profession, a road track life, her own house, her in-laws house, and she's managed all of it wonderfully. यार हमारे पास तो 2 लोड कम है. हमारे घर वाले हम पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है और हमारे पास इन-लॉज भी नहीं है फिलहाल. सो यार हो जाएगा. Of course we've done a few more things, we've spent some more time doing things, I would say, but it's manageable. Like I told you, everything is figure outable.
Yes. So now a fun question.
Done, let's go.
So describe your mood using a song title or a movie title.
So this
Oh
is difficult.
god, you said it's fun.
It's
Fun
been
for
ages
me.
I've watched a movie.
To road track, I would say. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
Okay.
Alright, let me think. My mood in road track. Yeah, I'll have to think thoda or to give you an answer. We'll go to the next
Okay.
question.
Okay.
What a spoil sport.
So now this year the district has won various awards like Aura and Ugram Awards, and you guys.
Touchwood, we have turf and roar coming up.
Oh, okay, touchwood. Fingers crossed. And you guys also have been recognized as exceptional DRR and DRS. So how do you feel? What's your opinion?
अच्छा है, मतलब not super happy, not super sad. I mean, one thing we've ensured, I would think for him also, we've tried to keep things as low-key as possible, because when we were receiving Aura, parallelly we were working on completing the turf nominations. Turf Ugram Awards जब आ रहे थे, we were working on completing roar nominations. So there was never a big fat celebratory moment per se that we have had. Probably once everything is done, we would go for a ice cream
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yes.
or something. But it feels good for sure, when your work is acknowledged. But we've tried to be as local about it as much.
So, was there a moment in the district norms or boundaries where went a little with a creative twist?
Come again?
Like, was there a moment when the district norms, the boundaries of the district, was bent with a creative twist? So,
You always do that, right? I mean,
As per the need of the hour, I
yeah,
would say.
just need रहेगा वैसे करते हैं. Say for example, ages back, I would say, English was the only language that was considered, right? In road track, I'm saying.
in what fact?
In road track. And then we've OCVs में तुम जब present करोगे, it has to be English was something that was very strictly followed long back. Should I?
Yeah.
Cool. So ages back, and when I say ages back, it's probably decades back as well. So only English was supposed to be used for OCV for that matter. But then eventually, with the kind of crowd we've got and with the mindset of people that we've got and with the thought of having inclusivity, Hindi Marathi में भी करो यार, present किया जा रहा है.
It is your dream idea. You can.
You
मतलब,
present it in the way you can.
yes, you have all the freedom to express the way you want.
So in this fly higher, give us a hot take. Something unexpected happened, something was underappreciated, or something bold happened.
So you need boss basically.
Something you'd like to put out.
Rotary, I would say, Rotary Connects of this year. I'm not a Rotary child. I guess हमारे core में भी no one or probably एक हाथ close रहेंगे तो रहेंगे, but otherwise no one per se is a Rotary kid, right? But I can say that blindfolded today, the kind of bond and connect, even for me on a personal note, with across all the Rotary presidents of 3142, including the College of Governors, including the Rotary District Council, I mean they call it the Executive Council, etc., that we've managed to create is a manifestation in itself, I would say.
Swear. The amount of support that we have received this year from Rotary is too good. Obviously, it comes because there
It's
have been
both ways.
efforts both ways and continuous efforts, not just once कि जब काम है तभी ही बात कर रहे हैं, तब वैसे नहीं हुआ है. Otherwise, also we have had connects with them, and which is why we share such a great bond with Rotary this year.
Our DG of this year, Dinesh Uncle, and our DRC, Vijay Uncle, matlab, literally I would say one message away. Even as simple as I can message them, hi uncle, and calling them uncle and auntie, right? I don't call them sir or madam.
That is also a transition.
Yeah.
That's a transition that I've had. I mean, for me, they're very close knit, like a family to me. I can just message them very randomly, say like, hi uncle, kaise ho, how are you doing? And they'll still reply with the same conviction, and warmth. So, and that's not just to them. It's for, I would say, 90% across for Rotary. Everyone are very close knit. So that bond, the strengthened PIS is something that we were able to manage, create, curate this year, which was unexpected because year beginning में हमने नहीं सोचा था इतना होगा. And to be honest, this is the same place, where we are shooting right now is the same place where we had our very first Rotary Road Track meeting, wherein the both of us had met our DRC and our DGS.
The PIS expectations mean that we have at the club level, we had in the very same cafe.
Yeah.
So coincidence.
Yes.
So another non-road track question now. So what's the one thing people misunderstand about you?
For me, that I'm very arrogant.
For me, that I am a very सीधा साधा भोला वाला इंसान.
It pulls apart.
So yes.
That also comes because I'm very outspoken. And I very bluntly say things without filter. So,
No filters.
yeah.
So what's your opinion about our club, our cause? Like your honest opinion.
Opinion about
Our club, Rotaract Club.
your
of
club?
Mayur.
Okay.
You guys are a vibe, trust me.
Yeah.
And for the past 3 to 4 years, I've been seeing you guys. The kind of initiatives. I also came for one of the projects in Turbe that you guys do for the kids over there, and trust me, reaching out to that place and doing something for them is a very thoughtful initiative. And it is not just one project, but then there are multiple projects that I know that you
The
guys do for them.
transgender
No, not the transgender, but for the kids of the
kids of the yeah.
So yes, so that was the first project actually attended of Arcos, and from them I have been observing you guys very closely, and you guys are a vibe. You come as a tribe, and big cat right that you guys stand out.
Yeah. Same, I mean, very literally same to what Rohit just mentioned. More than a vibe, you guys send out that message out clear that, of course, we are here to have fun and create memories, but along with it, we will ensure to create that impact where we have to create, and that's a brilliant thing to have both of them.
Yes.
Nice. So now that your dearest term is like coming to an end.
Yes!
So when you look back, what legacy do you think you guys are going to leave behind?
They can. It's always bittersweet, and I'll be honest, because we've spent over a decade in this movement, and about to leave the movement when we are at the pinnacle of it. I mean, there's probably hardly anything more that you could do after it. So it's always bittersweet. When you look back, there will be, and when it comes to memories, I wouldn't want to discriminate because we've both been presidents of acing clubs, right? Our clubs were ranked one when we were the presidents, the both of us. We've done way more hard work in our club as well, as much as we've done in the district. So I would want to be remembered as the one who enjoyed thoroughly the entire 10, 11, 12 years jitna bhi hoga, and who ensured to create memories at every stride she took.
Yes. It is the memories and the connects that you make in your journey that matters the most. The impact that you create in your community service, but then 12 years into road rat, iske baad mein when your friends or your club members for that matter, they reach out to you कि भाई क्या कर रहा है, now there is no designation, there is nothing.
There's no barrier.
Yes, there is no barrier, and still they're reaching out to you just to know, just to connect with you on a personal level. That is something what matters to me. कि हाँ ये बंदा अच्छा था and इसने अच्छा काम करके गया है. So this is what I would want to be remembered as.
You done?
Yeah. So the questions are done.
Let's go!
Now we have a fun game round. So we'll play Antakshari.
Oh God, no!
But
गाना
it's
गाना.
not.
She's a great singer.
कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
But it's not like the traditional Antakshari. It will be like I'll give you a word and that word needs to be in your song. Vaisa.
This is more difficult.
We'll brace ourselves.
So who should start?
Let's go.
You say the word, we'll decide who can sing.
Okay. So the first word is fool. Fool. Flower. Fool.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है.
Yes.
Okay. Second word is barish.
ये बारिश की बूंदे बूंदों की चादर.
Sure, I know.
है ना कुछ तो.
He just made a song.
मौसम की बारिश.
हाँ ये मौसम की
Oh God.
बारिश, बारिश का मौसम, something. Sorry, I'm back.
The third word is jhumka.
झुमका गिरा रे
बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा हाय हाय हाय.
So I think we're done for today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah, sure.
So, what do you think? Can you just give out a quote to everyone which inspires you in your journey? A quote which you look up to, ऐसा.
this is not a quote, but this has been the vibe of the year, I would say. This is there on the council t-shirts, on the press set diaries, and at a lot of places. And that is something, it's very close to me, and that's why it's where it is. So I won't read the full thing, but I'll just read out a couple of lines. And that says, be unstoppable, be the fire that you are, always stretch your wings and fly super high, because the sky is yours to conquer.
And for me, it would be always be grateful, be kind, and always help whenever you can, wherever you can.
What plans do you have next? Are you will be still on the movement, and or you're planning like MIDO ऐसा कुछ plans है?
MDIO?
MDI, sorry.
Yeah, so I am on the RSA MDIO board next year as the IPDRR. But my plans, if you ask, are to travel. I have a few travel plans on board. There are a few long due trips that I would want to take this year finally. Would want to run more, would want to trek more, would want to spend more weekends with all the friends I couldn't, a lot of close friends for that matter. Would want to spend a lot of more time with family, and that's all for agenda right now.
Yes. So for me, once this year is done, I'll be taking formal farewell from the movement, and yes, you should try.
I'll try to. I'll
And-
listening.
Yeah, and from therein, all the time is for my parents, my cousins, and my friends who have, and all the plans that I have missed out on. Yeah, that's
Thank you.
Thank you.